Good morning, children. How are you all? Hope you all are fine. How did you all write your exams? Did you all write well? All of you? You all are very good children. I know you all you might have written very nicely. So children, let's continue with the next lesson now. We will start with lesson 5, 3 berry trees. So all of you are ready with your books? Take out your books and take out page number 36. Page number 36, we are going to start with the new lesson, 3 berry trees. Okay, can you all see 4 trees given in your book? Can you all see? Yes. Just see the pictures, and we have to match these trees with the names given below. So see the first tree. What can you see? Which tree is that? See the first tree in your book. Which tree? Yes, it is mango tree. So match with mango tree. All of you will match that with mango tree. First tree, match it with mango tree. Next one, which is that tree? See the second picture. Which is this tree? See the picture and tell me. Which is this tree? Yes. The second one is banyan tree. It is a banyan tree. Match with banyan tree. B-A-N-Y-A-N. Banyan tree. Then next. Next, which tree it is? Just see which tree it is. It is coconut tree. Coconut tree. Match the third tree with the coconut tree. C-O-C-O-N-U-T, coconut tree. Match it. And the last one is banana tree. You can see the bananas also in the tree. See, all the bananas are there. You match it with banana tree. So today we are going to start the new lesson, 3 berry trees. 3 berry trees. Okay children, tell me, what is berry? What is berry? Berry is a small, round, juicy fruit. It is a small, round, juicy fruit when it is green. When it is raw. Raw matlab kacha. Raw matlab kacha. When it is raw, the color of the berry is green. And when it is ripe. What is the meaning of ripe? Ripe means pak jana. Raw is kacha, ripe is pakka. When it gets ripe, the color changes from green to yellow. Green to yellow. I think you might have you might have eaten this na. It is the berries all बेर बोलते हैं हिंदी में. खाया होगा ना आप लोगों ने? Yes. So we are going to start the lesson 3 berry trees. All of you please keep your fingers on where I am reading and read along with me, then only you will understand and you will be able to read. So let's start with the story. In Delhi, there is a big park. Just outside the park, there is a banyan tree, an orange tree and 3 berry trees. Which place we are talking about? It is Delhi. It is Delhi. In Delhi, what is there? There is a big park. There was a big park. And just outside the park, what was there? There is a banyan tree, orange tree and 3 berry trees. 3 berry trees. There was one banyan tree and there was one orange tree and there were three berry trees. In December. Which month is this? This is also December. We are talking about December month. In December, the 3 berry trees are full of leaves and berries. In December, these 3 berry trees are full of leaves and berries, and many berries grow in this month, many berries grow in this month. But the berries are raw and green. But now they are raw. I told you just now what is the meaning of raw. Raw is kacha. Raw is kacha. In this month it is raw and green. When the berries are raw, the color of berry is green. The color of berry is green. Every evening, many children come to play in the park. Every evening in this park, many children they come and play in the park. But there are three naughty boys. Naughty, but we are going to talk about three naughty boys. What are naughty? Naughty is the children who do much of mischief, गड़बड़ जो करते हैं, they are called naughty boys. There were three naughty boys. What were the names? Ravi, Ali and John. Ravi, Ali and John. Who never play. They used to not play. They used to do only naughtiness. They are around 12 years of age and are around up to some mischief. This time they decide to get the raw berries from the trees. So they pick up stones and throw them at raw berries. All of you will underline mischief. M-I-S-C-H-I-E-F. Okay. So what were the names of these three boys? Ravi, Ali and John. They used to not play in the park, but they used to think about doing something mischief. What is the meaning of mischief? Mischief is playful behavior that may cause harm to others. They are playing, but it may cause harm. कुछ तो भी नुकसान हो सकता है. By throwing stones, you get hurt like that. So they are in a playful behavior, but they cause harm. So the mischief is that. So these three boys, they are mischief type of boys. They look. So these three boys are mischief. This time they decide to get raw berries. They are not waiting for berries to get ripe. Pakne nahi de rahe. They are planning to throw stones and take the raw berries. Kache berries ko todne ka planning kiya. Who? These three boys. Ravi, Ali and John. Jyoti and Hema go for cycling around the park every day. They see the boys trying to fetch the berries by throwing stones at the fruits. Thump, thump, the leaves and the berries fall down. Crack, crack, break a few branches of trees and fall on the road. So Jyoti and Hema, there are two girls. They do cycling. They see these boys. They are throwing stones and on the berry trees, and when they are throwing stones, all the leaves are falling and the raw berries are falling. They saw that these boys are doing these things and they are throwing stones and doing harm to the berry trees. Jyoti calls out at the boys and says, "Boys, don't hurt the trees. They also have life in them." Jyoti did not like this. When the boys used to throw stones on trees, she said she did not like that they are throwing stones and taking off raw berries. She told, "Boys, why are you doing that? Don't throw stones. They also have life as we are having life. And if somebody hurts us, it pains, na? Like that. If you throw stones at the trees, tree also has life in it. Tree also is a living thing." So she is saying, don't throw stones. They also have life in it and it will pain. And it pains also. It can't save, but it will pain. Trees also can have the pain. Boys, don't hurt the trees. They also have life in them. Now come to the next page, page number 37. Ali laughs and says, "Is that a joke? How can these trees have life?" Ali says, "What a joke. How can these trees, they don't say anything, let us throw stones, let us do anything." They will not do anything. They will not shout. They will not scream. What is this girl telling? She is telling something. अरे कुछ भी बोल रही है कि इनके पास भी लाइफ है, इनको भी दर्द होता है. Ali laughs at these girls. Ali laughs. You can see in the picture that Ali and all these friends are laughing at them. Then Hema shouts angrily. Then Hema gets angry. "Look what you have done to the trees." She says, "Look, what you have done to these trees. All the leaves and berries have fallen down and so many branches have broken. She said, see, all the leaves and branches of the trees have fallen down and so many leaves have come to the ground. What you all have done to the trees? Who said this? Hema. Hema shouts at whom? She shouts at the boys. She shouts at the boys. Shouts is dantna, chillana. Yes. To this John replies, and when she shouts, what does John says? Why don't you girls do your own work? Just go from here or I will break your cycles too. So John says, why you girls are shouting at us? Why you mind your own business? Tum apna kaam karo. We will do whatever we want. Tum apna kaam karo. And he says, go and do your work. Otherwise, I will break your cycle. They were cycling. He says, if you don't listen, I am going to break your cycle. I am going to break your cycle. The girls feel bad and go away. If somebody shouts at you and say go like that, you will feel bad. Na? Even these girls felt bad and they went away. They know that boys would not listen to them. And they knew that these boys are very mischief, naughty boys. They don't have any manners. They will not listen to them. So children, I hope you have understood the lesson till here. All of you read page number 36 and 37 carefully and very correctly with correct pronunciation, and we will continue with the story in the next class, that is tomorrow. Till then, read and understand these pages. Okay children, bye, take care, goodbye, God bless you all.